Hello, this is the accounts department. How can I help?
Hello, brother. How are you?
Not bad, thank you. Yourself?
Yeah. I sent in a document with an 8 GB memory stick to the service department, which I couldn't get through. But basically, they know about me. But basically, it's gone out to all the news media, and Isaiah 13 is being fulfilled, brother, where Jehovah gathers an army against Babylon. I am Jehovah God Almighty, by the way, and if you can give evidence that I'm not, and compare it to my nearly 500 gigabytes of evidence that I am Jehovah and the Bible code. Did you know the Bible code's real? That's how Jehovah proves the Bible to be true, is equidistant letter sequence, brother. Not the nonsense on your website that says that the Bible code is rubbish and numerology. God is a mathematician, the greatest mathematician in the world. And basically, the numerology is how he created the universe. Did you know that, brother?
If you can email your inquiry.
So when you see the stars go out in Isaiah 13:10, and the stars of heaven will not give their light and the moon will be darkened, then you're going to have to fear Jehovah, because I will take Watchtower down on the 3rd of August 2025, and it will be supernatural. If it happens to be that Jehovah does writing on the wall, imagine that their knees are knocking like Belshazzar. Because the news media have got my letters now. 30 are going out tomorrow. They're gonna look at this information, all the supernatural. You know, the other day on 22 Harrier Court, Lincoln, there was 2 red lights come up in the corner of the house next to the door, and basically 22 Harrier Court in numerology comes up with 2 Kings chapter 2, Elijah, who I am. Right, Malachi 4 verse 5, I will send my prophet Elijah. You're not listening, are you, again?
Right, we thank you for your...
I am Jehovah. You are going down, and you are being recorded. You will be accessed by me when I come to Bethel, brother. Do you understand that? You'll be held responsible. They've gone. Never listen like the Israelites. God, are idiots.